We're making a little doge. This is a mixer. What you want to do when you want to mix it, see it says 1486. 14 is on this side, 86 is on this side. So what we want to do is click here, go to mix, go to mixing. Now we're going to switch it the opposite way. 95, 5%, whatever it is. 80, 87. Now, that'll make this side run a little bit faster. You see it moving there? And this side's not really moving anymore. Hardly. That's the reason why. And then that way it don't pull off this side, because I don't have that much filament on this side. I didn't pull enough. But this is the A10m multicolored little printer. The bed size is like a 9.5. They say 220 by 220 or something like that, but it's not 220 by 220. Well, it is, but if you're measuring it, it's like almost 9.5. 9.5 by 9.5. But pretty nice so far. Printed out this gecko. Oh, gecko right there. Printed out that gecko dual. So I used up the yellow and the orange is up here right now. And it made this little block. It looks like a block of cheese. But very good very good print to see. And stick this here. Somewhere. But yeah. So now I went back to the original 1387. So if I want to switch it back, because now it's running slower on this side. See, it's running really slow. And this side's running a little bit faster now. So it's going a lot faster. So what we'll do is go back in here and mix.
Bob, to let you know that you're here, huh? What's it burning?
And then back over.
Huh?
Back over. But yeah, that's it so far.